Okay, let me continue with the discussion. So we're done with creating the 3D boxes. The next thing that we will do is change the add some enhancement to these div boxes. Let me start with the first box. The ID of the first box is div1. We address this ID from the style sheet by using sharp sign together with the name div1. This is how you write this. This is the syntax for writing style sheets for a particular tag in HTML coding. Okay, so this time what we would like div1 to have is border, colon. We could have one px for the border. And then we can have a combo settings for this by writing solid. And then the color is green. Sabi color. Okay, so if we're going to look for the first time, wala pa ito eh. Yan. Since it doesn't have any content yet, it goes like that. So let us first have another CSS. So the next thing that you are to do is to type height, colon, and then type value 150 px, semicolon, and then let's find out how will it look like. And if you would like to change the height, we could have it by 100 px. Let's find out what will happen. Okay. Okay, let's talk about changing the property of the second box, which is div2. So again, what are we going to type? Sharp sign, div, what's the name? Div2, correct? And then open curly brace, and then we could copy this. But this time, you are to set for the width. The other one has only height as the property. This time, we are to set the width. So type width, colon, we could have 100 again, px, pixel, semicolon. Let's find out how will it look like. But of course, the height is the same, so let's change the height from 100 to 500. That's it. Okay. So this time, what we're going to have is a style sheet for div2. So we're going to type again what? What symbol? Sharp sign or pound sign or hashtag. And then div3, and then copy, paste. So border again is 1px, solid green, height is, we're going to change the height to 500. Let's find out how will it look like. What happened? That is because it goes under the second div box because we didn't specify for the width. Okay. So instead of, so we already have 500, let's have the width equal to 500 also, px. So semicolon. And then let's set the position to absolute. Okay, choose it. It's already being displayed, and then semicolon. Oh, what happened? Okay, let me control say. Let me fix this first. Control X, solid, border colon solid, control V, position absolute, div2. Oo. What happened? Okay, let's delete it. So green, the color is green. So let's remove this solid. Let us review. Position, colon, the value is absolute. The value of border is 1px, solid, green. The height is 100px. Oh, not this one. So we're going to change the height to 500px and then the width to 500px also. Let's find out how will it look like. Okay, let's set the margin. So within div 3, what I would like you to do is to type margin dash left. Where is it? Then colon. You could set the margin to 120 px. Semicolon. Control S. From time to time, you save your work. Okay. Then we could have margin dash top B0. So let's type margin dash top colon 0 px semicolon. If it didn't work, okay, it's not working. Since it's absolute, let's find out. Control S. Yun. What happened here is that since we declare the position value is as absolute, so we need to not use the margin property, but instead we will be using the top property. But what you notice here is that it overlapped the first div box. So let's have some fixing. So top will be 100px, 110px. Yeah, so it's okay. And then we're gonna change the width to 600, 700 or 650. Again, we're going to adjust. So the margin dash left will be 110 for us to adjust the div box 3. Ayun, ayun na, teka, stop na. Stop.